twins.
Hello.
Hey, don't panic. I'm a good guy.
Who are you? And what's that?
Hey, babe. I'm Louie. That there's a friend of mine. I got... I'm sorry. I didn't mean to frighten you. Why are you crying?
I am not crying.
Huh? Back off. Back off. You're fogging the glass. Come on, big eyes. You're killing me. What's the matter?
It's Thanksgiving.
So, what's there to cry about? You don't like turkey?
No, it's my parents.
What about your parents? Do they beat you? Oh.
No, they're just never around. It's Thanksgiving, and they're off doing other things. You see, my father's very business, and my mother's very social.
The name's Louie. What's yours?
Cecilia Nuthatch.
Well, Cecilia Nuthatch, you should have had my mother slobbering kisses all over me. In public. I had to make tracks. So you know what I'm doing?
No, what?
I'm running away to the circus.
You are?
I am. What do you say you throw this hat away and come fly with me?